I've been talking with a lot of my customers recently about the mortgage process. Again, I'm a seasoned veteran, been in this business for over 30 years, and I've seen a lot of changes. To many consumers, it's an arcane and arduous process. It is not something that the average consumer does every day, so they don't understand it. Some folks, and I convince them it's not as bad as a root canal, but some of my clients have said it feels like a colonoscopy. That's a joke. Anyway, it is getting better faster. Two events, the financial meltdown in '08 and the worldwide pandemic, have forced lenders to embrace technology more. We use a lot of technology in our company to help you with the mortgage process. It is the most important purchase, the largest amount of money that you are going to borrow. And John Nesbitt's book from the 80s, Megatrends, High Tech, High Touch, we are using more and more technology nowadays to help make the process easier. Online applications. I still will meet with customers in person or over Zoom. I don't need to collect physical documents. There's a way for you to upload those documents. Many times we can use digital verification. One thing I always try and get my customers to do is digital verification of assets. It's quick, it's easy, it gives us the history we need. We don't need to have 2 months of statements. Now, there are some financial institutions and other financial organizations that don't subscribe to it, so we may have to do it. But studies show that more and more, over 50% of borrowers want to use a lender with technology. They're looking for speed, ease, and predictability. Here's a chart that kind of shows you the mortgage process from a digital aspect. As we go through it, you just see the different stages, and then ultimately we can close with the application online through a portal or a mobile app, which we have both. They are going to upload information digitally. We are going to get the documents in the hands of our fulfillment staff right away. They will go through the documents, make sure we have everything. We will compare that information to some of the automation we get back in the way of digital verification of assets, employment, etc. And then we will do a property assessment. In many cases nowadays, I am receiving appraisal waivers on purchases. It depends on a lot of factors. It depends on the home. It depends on the down payment, the area, your credit score. Everything goes into it. But we're even at the point where we are now doing many of our closings, or a large portion of our closings, electronically, where you can digitally sign the documents. There are still some counties out there, there are many counties out there that require a wet signature on some of the mortgage docs. But the mortgage process is getting faster and faster. Reach out to me. I'm here to help make it as easy as possible to explain it to you, so that it becomes as familiar as buying a tank of gas or going to the dry cleaner. Thanks so much.